We have different ways to clear all Snapchat conversations. For those who once clicked the send button and regretted it immediately, this video is for you. We will tell how do you delete messages on Snapchat in different scenarios. Way 1. How to delete Snapchat messages. Snapchat allows you to use multimedia content to communicate with other people, which makes Snapchat messages take up more space. This is why how to permanently delete Snapchat conversations is a topic of great concern to Snapchat users. Way 2. How to clear all conversations on Snapchat. Deleting Snapchat conversations one by one is a tedious process. To save time and energy, we have a simple way to delete Snapchat conversations directly. Way 3. How to delete Snapchat conversation history automatically. Snapchat messages are accumulating more and more, and you are tired of manually deleting them. Then, you can set Snapchat to automatically delete messages and conversations. Way 4. How to clear conversation on Snapchat that haven't been opened yet. Select the desired conversation. Long press the screen in the chat window to access a list of options. Choose More from the list. Select Block and confirm by clicking Block again in the confirmation box. Way 5. How to delete saved messages on Snapchat. Unlike other applications, Snapchat has its own unique method of saving and deleting messages. Please follow the steps below to start Snapchat Message Eraser. Way 6. How to erase Snapchat conversations that will not disappear. Check saved messages before deleting. Unsave and retry deleting. Remove saved messages on all devices. Ask the other party to unsave and delete.